What's going on, guys? It's G69 late night. Ain't got a lot of footage left on my phone, but I thought I'd show y'all my hat. See if y'all like that. My Beeline shit just came in, so Beeline's big shout outs. Got Silk up in there. Of course, you know the Beeline, man. The grassroots hats be pimping, man. And then the shirt, if y'all know about them. It was an oil company that got shut down. My mom actually used to sell oil to those, but they polluted, so fuck them. If you can read the back of the shirt or not, sure you can't. Anyway, we out here with the airsoft. We're gonna do a little Ramboing. Here we go. Mind you, this is a stock gun that I got for $99. $99. So I try to tell people all the time, they're like, man, where can I get an airsoft gun? Boom. $99. evite.com, that's where you can get it. I don't want to keep shooting my shit like that, but hold on. I'm going to show you how far to shoot. You can't even see over there. I can shoot way farther than that. You hear that shit hitting it? Anyway, guys, G69 with the AK-74. Don't get it mistaken as the AK-47, AK-74. Peace. I will be back with plenty more videos. Later, boys and girls. Enjoy the hat. And a pretty face. Especially all you sexy women out there. Mad Cat. Goodbye.